The reason why the 50-year mortgage is so important is because if a distressed borrower don't want to lose their property by refinancing with a 50-year mortgage, that's going to reduce their monthly payment, which is going to release them from that stress.
Hey everyone, I'm Tim Jones with foreclosurecom. Today I'm joined with Christopher Tapia here at the Compass headquarters in Boca Raton, Florida. Christopher, thank you so much for having us here today.
Thanks for coming.
Today we're going to be talking about the 50-year mortgage and how it's going to affect the 2026 real estate market.
Absolutely.
So, Chris, let's jump right in, okay?
Get it done.
So what is the real motivation behind governments and lenders exploring a 50-year mortgage? Is this a solution or just a Band-Aid?
I think it has both factors. It is absolutely a solution and is also a bandit. So for the government to start promoting the 50-year mortgage, it would be a fantastic idea because a lot of borrowers today, they really can't afford the mortgage payments anymore because interest rates going up, taxes are going up, so really can't afford it. So if the government allows for a 50-year mortgage, that will absolutely help so many individuals being able to afford and have the American dream by owning a home.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then as a Band-Aid, how would you see it?
I believe as a bandit for right now until rates come down. If somebody right now is currently in a about to go into foreclosure or just start missing payments and they need something to reduce their monthly payments, this is when they refinance the mortgage, they get a 50-year mortgage on the property, and then that will reduce their monthly payments, hence helping them the risk of foreclosure.
Okay, that's great. So who would a 50-year mortgage actually help? Would it be the first-time home buyer, a potential investor, or those in financial distress?
Most, and again, two factors here would be your first-time home buyer, or your primary resident borrower, or a distressed borrower. The reason why the 50-year mortgage is so important is because if a distressed borrower needs to, don't want to lose their property by refinancing with a 50-year mortgage, that's going to reduce their monthly payment, which is going to release them from that stress.
Give them some more monthly
Yeah,
cash.
as a primary resident borrower that already has a property already, and they want to purchase another property, but their payments want to be lowered. So this is why they would get a 50-year mortgage on the properties, and the payments will be lower, so they can purchase the new property. Now, first-time home buyers, absolutely. For right now, because rates are just so high, everything is so high. First-time homeowners can't take advantage of the 50-year mortgage program because their mortgage payments will be substantially lower.
Got it. Okay. So do longer-term mortgages like the 50-year mortgage increase foreclosure activity by keeping borrowers in debt longer with slower equity growth?
They will increase, and again, two factors. It could increase the possibility of them losing the property if they don't start to pay off the principals on it, principal payments on the property. Because if you do a 50-year mortgage, most of the payment is interest. This is just a Band-Aid until rates come down to a point where you can refinance the property. That way, they'll be able to continue to keep making those payments and be able to afford it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So would a 50-year mortgage increase affordability or simply push home prices even higher across the country?
Affordability for sure. And since people will be able to afford the payments, these sellers may increase the values of the homes higher.
Yeah.
Because there's more demand. Can only afford to purchase a property. It's just that, a 30-year mortgage, you put a 50-year mortgage, it's like saying in a monthly payment being $3,000 or $2,500 a month. That's the differences. You give or take between 20 to 25% difference in payments when we're dealing with a 50-year compared to a 30.
For today, unless you have anything else you want to mention to the audience?
Well, I just want to say, if you have any questions or any concerns, you can always reach out to us. My name is Christopher Tapia. I'm one of the principals with Tapia Group by Compass. You can reach me at 561-305-6794. You can also send me an email at chris.tapia, which is Tapia @compass.com, and we'll be gladly to help you.
Please reach out to Chris. If you're interested in looking at distressed properties, please feel free to sign up to our free foreclosure alerts at foreclosure.com. Until next time, I'm Tim Jones, and thank you for watching.
Thank you.